So continuing with lesson number 10, geometry and measurement, I'm on page 70, and we're looking at this example of, this is called a floor plan, this part right here, because it's showing the floor of a certain part of a house, and in this case looks like a living room. So Arjun, I don't know where they get these names. I have never heard of somebody named Arjun. Anyway, he is painting the living room for a client. He has to apply painter's tape along the base of the wall. So he's going to paint this room. So we're going to put painter's tape all along the floor here where it attaches to the wall. All right, he needs to find how much tape to buy. Arjun finds the perimeter of the living room by adding the length of each wall. So he's adding this 9 feet here, and then 20 feet over here, and then 9 feet over here. Even though there's a doorway, he's still adding that, and then he's going to add 20 feet here, even though there's a doorway here. So that's going to be 58 feet. That is, if you remember, that is the perimeter, the distance around, as if you're going to build a fence around this room. So you add up all 4 of those sides, the lengths of all the sides, and that gives you the perimeter. So he's going to paint one wall blue. He has half a gallon of blue paint. 1 gallon covers 400 square feet. The wall is 12 feet tall. The total area he will be painting blue is 9 foot by 12. So he's painting one wall blue. Okay, so he's painting this wall here blue. It is 9 feet long, and the height is 12 feet. So it's going to look kind of like, I'm sorry, my lines are not very good. The way I'm writing this. Okay, so that's not really a very good wall, is it? So it's 9 feet long and 12 feet tall. So if he is, let's see, the total area he will be painting blue is 9 times 12. So 9 times 12 will give me the area of this wall here that he's painting blue, which I have it painted black. All right, does he have enough paint to paint that? Well, 12 times 9 is 108. That didn't look like an 8. Square feet. Remember, I'm putting a 2 up there because I multiplied those two numbers. The half gallon that he has covers 400. Does he have enough paint to paint 108 square feet? Yes, he does. So painters use this area thing all the time to find out how much paint they need to buy in order to paint the room or the house that they're painting. Okay, so let's look at exercise 1. So we've got Raphael, another real common name that we always use, being sarcastic. He cleans carpets in homes and businesses. He is hired to clean the carpets for a local office. The amount Raphael will charge depends on the area of the room he has to clean. He looks at the floor plan of the office. So here's all the different rooms of the office. And let's see what the next picture is asking for here. I'm going to have to take a picture of it. All right, so I'm putting pages 70 and 71 side by side here. So on top of page 71, we have these questions here that we're trying to answer for exercise 1. The entire floor of the marketing department is carpeted. What is the area of the marketing department? So our marketing department is this here. So what is the area? Remember, one side times the other in a rectangle. That'll give you the area. And don't forget the square feet because you're multiplying two numbers. Manager has a small rug. Here's the manager's office. In her office that she'd like cleaned, the area of the rug is 30 square feet. So there's a rug in here that is 30 square feet. Let's just draw a rug here. And I can't draw a rug very well, so let's not worry about, well, let's just do this. So her rug is 30 square feet. Okay. What are the possible dimensions of this rug? So we have to multiply the length times the width and get 30. So what are the possibilities there for number 2? What two numbers multiplied together are going to give me 30? So number 3. Raphael uses a steam cleaner that needs to be plugged in an office. The cord is, move this over, the cord is 10 feet long. Okay. He decides to use an extension cord. Raphael wants to make sure the total length of the cord is equal to the perimeter of the marking department, which is really dumb. I don't know why that would matter, but he does. So he wants it the length of the perimeter of the marketing department. So you're going to add up all 4 of those lengths to find out what the perimeter is, and that's how long the extension cord needs to be. He already has 10 feet of cord on the carpet steamer or cleaner or whatever it is. So we don't need that. So we're going to add up 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20. So that gives me 40, 60. We need 60 feet. Well, he already has 10 feet, so the extension cord only needs to be 50 feet in order to get that 60. So gave you the answer on that one, but just wanted to clear up that part there. Okay, so number 4, I'll let you do that on your own, and I will do one final video for the rest of lesson number 10. So be looking for that.